Welcome to this introduction video about FolderViewer version 5.02. We added the module Find Duplicates. When you open the module, you can set a starting folder where the search for duplicates will start. You can add several if you want. So we can add, for instance, the test photos folder as well. Now the search for duplicates will use the test library for starting point and the test photos as a starting point. You can also of course use the crowbar again, but then you have a single starting point, for instance the F drive or the E drive. We toggle back to the multiple starting point and we remove the photos for this introduction video. We want to search for duplicates using the test library as a starting folder and the subfolders. When we click on search, then the application will search for duplicates, and you will see it searched two folders, found 36 duplicates in 220 files in just over a second. You can sort the result using the date created or the date modified. When we search again, you will see a different order. Switch back to date created, and you can also order ascending or descending. When you search again, you will see another order of the results. Go back to the order ascending and we search again. You will see here that the first file is the original file, and of this original file there are two duplicates found. The duplicates files are checkmarked by default and when the search is finished. And you can see the date created is in an ascending order. 5 October, 1/11, 12/11, and when you can use FolderViewer to delete, copy or move the duplicates to another place on your hard drive. In this instance we will copy the files, only the duplicates, to the other panel. At the same time the duplicates are checkmarked, so when you click on the delete, the files are deleted from the results, not from your hard drive. You can of course, when you select them all, Ctrl A, print the files, and you see a nice overview of the duplicates. In blue and underlined is the original file, and the second, in this case the second two lines represents the duplicates. As you can see, they are checkmarked. They have of course the same size because they are duplicates, and the results and the algorithm behind it uses a bit-by-bit comparison. You can also export the results to Excel, HTML, text or XML. And finally you can always preview the files. You select the first and click on the preview panel on the right side, and immediately the file will be loaded, and you can see these two files. Even when the second is a copy and a different file name, the program found it as a duplicate. The third file in the listing is also the same, with a completely different file name and a different location. You can toggle the locations on and off with this button. Then the list is a bit more condensed, but you omit some information. When we omit and remove the path and you print it, you will see, let's select them all. The results are more condensed, but you see the path on the end of the list. It's just what you like. Okay, let's wrap it up. Let's give a short summary. Close the preview. You select the folder where the search will start. You click on search, and immediately you will see the duplicates. The duplicates are counted. 36 duplicates in 220 files. Next you can delete, copy or move them. We have already copied the files to the other panel. And of course, if you want to be sure and save them for later use. You can export it to Excel, or you can print it, and you have a neat overview of the duplicates on your hard drive. Of course, you can use other files. These are MS Word files, but you can select, for instance, the MP3 files. We're going to search for MP3 duplicates. We have selected the test MP3 root folder. We checked all, click on search, and we found 31 duplicates in 63 files. When we open the previewer, immediately the first file is loaded and you can start playing it. Next, select the second previewer and open the second file. And now we're going to play the second one and stop the first. And you will notice that they are identical. They have the same file size, of course, and the algorithm FolderViewer uses is a bit-by-bit comparison, and when the files are identical, they are listed in the result table. And you can preview them, play them, view them. Let's go back to the beginning, and we have another one. You can do the same with pictures, of course. Checkmark all, search for pictures, and we found 31 duplicates in 125 pictures. Open the previewer, and now we can do the second one, and you will see these two pictures are identical. It's a nice feature added to FolderViewer. Well, I hope you will give us some feedback what you think about this new tool. You can select the new tool from the search files, menu item, find duplicates.